Hello everyone on YouTube and welcome to a short tutorial. I had a guy, excuse me, he thought, the classic view wasn't on Windows XP. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change all this. Uh, what you do, as you can see, this is the classic view that I have on Windows XP right now. What we're going to do, we're going to go to My Computer, right click, go to Properties right here, and it brings you up this system properties. Go to Advanced, and right where it says Performance here and this here, go to Settings, and you can see what we're going to do is click this for right now because it was on Adjust for Best Performance. That's what I clicked on, and it takes all your your animate windows and all that stuff out of here, as you can see. Anyway, I'll show you to prove it that this is right. You go to Apply, and now it should change it back to the Windows XP version. It says please wait, and there you have it. There's Windows XP, the original. But like I said, go to Adjust for Best Performance, change that, and hit Apply, and now it should go back to the Windows Classic view. Please wait, and there you have it. Okay, I hope this video was pretty helpful for you, and go ahead, but this is how you do it, so there's the classic view. Anyway, please go ahead and leave me some comments, let me know what you think, rate the video, and I sure appreciate you watching. Thank you, and bye bye.